Hey my friends, been a day or two since I uploaded a video, but we have had some sickness here at our house and it slowed my roll. But thankfully it was not COVID and I'm back on my feet and ready to go. And I am just giving you a little glimpse of what I'm going to be uploading very soon. These are some coasters that I did several weeks ago and I just don't like the way they turned out. I started out with black and white and I didn't like the way that worked, so I added some gold mica powder to the tops of them. That didn't work out, and so what I'm going to be doing is transforming these into a different design, and I'm going to be using the Dawn dish soap technique, where you just use the Dawn and squirt it on to your surface of whatever project you're working on, and then you use the spray paint to change the design. I'm going to be using this gold and red, and to pipe your curiosity, I'm just going to tell you they turned out amazing. So stay tuned, keep an eye out for the full video.